Imagine you're a CEO, juggling a million tasks, trying to keep your team aligned. You need a tool that's powerful yet simple, one that can help you stay organized and productive. What if I told you there's a tool that's used by some of the biggest companies in the world, from tech giants to global nonprofits? Asana, a project management tool, has become a staple for teams of all sizes. But who exactly is using it? Let's dive in. Section 1. Tech giants and startups. Asana has become a favorite among tech companies, known for their fast-paced, innovative environments. Let's look at a few examples. Google, one of the biggest tech companies in the world. Google uses Asana to manage projects across its various teams. Dropbox. This cloud storage company relies on Asana for project management, collaboration, and task tracking. Uber. As a rapidly growing company, Uber uses Asana to manage its complex operations and ensure projects are completed on time. Slack. Known for its team communication platform, Slack also uses Asana to manage projects and workflows. Section 2. Global brands and enterprises. Asana isn't just for tech companies. It's also used by established global brands and enterprises across various industries. Airbnb. This popular accommodation platform uses Asana to manage its operations, from listing properties to handling customer service. Spotify. The music streaming giant relies on Asana to coordinate projects and ensure a smooth user experience. The New York Times. This iconic newspaper uses Asana to manage its editorial workflow and ensure timely delivery of content. BMW. The German automaker uses Asana to streamline its project management processes and improve efficiency. Section 3. Nonprofits and charities. Asana isn't just for profit-driven organizations. It's also a valuable tool for nonprofits and charities. The American Red Cross. This humanitarian organization uses Asana to manage disaster relief efforts and coordinate volunteer activities. Save the Children. This international charity uses Asana to track projects and ensure that resources are used effectively. The World Wildlife Fund. This conservation organization relies on Asana to manage its field projects and coordinate with partners. Section 4. Small businesses and freelancers. Asana isn't just for large corporations. It's also a great tool for small businesses and freelancers. Buffer. This social media management tool uses Asana to coordinate its team and ensure projects are completed on time. Canva. This graphic design platform uses Asana to manage its product development and marketing teams. Freelancers. Many freelancers use Asana to manage their projects, track deadlines, and communicate with clients. Section 5. Why Asana? Now that we know who's using Asana, let's explore why it's so popular. User-friendly interface. Asana is designed to be easy to use, even for those who aren't tech-savvy. Customization options. Asana can be customized to fit the specific needs of any team or organization. Integration capabilities. Asana integrates with other popular tools like Google Calendar, Slack, and Dropbox. Collaboration features. Asana makes it easy for teams to collaborate on projects and stay updated on progress. So, who uses Asana? The answer is simple. Everyone from tech giants to small businesses, nonprofits to freelancers. Asana has become a versatile tool that can help teams of all sizes stay organized, productive, and aligned. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.